So again, I'm gonna be doing another reaction video again, and this time I'm gonna react to Disco Bob Entertainment more of his newest video that he recently has uploaded. And the video I'm gonna react to is called Limited Edition Trix Fireworks Serial Review. So yeah, I'm gonna react to it. So before I start, I want to give a disclaimer. If you do not like the content I make, the reaction videos, or any of the other stuff I do on my channel, if you don't like them, then don't watch it somewhere else. Because the only thing you're doing is giving me a view, and that's the damn truth, one. That's the damn truth, and nothing but the truth. So yeah, it's now about for you. Let's get to the video right now. Let's get it right now.
What's so funny, TSM?
Disco Bob, yeah, let's go. Disco Bob, let's go. Tune in to Disco Bob, tune right now, let's go. Hey, Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob.
Well, hello everyone.
Yo.
I hope everybody's awesome and safe out there. Well, happy Monday. Monday evening, I should say.
Right.
So, I was at Kroger, and I found these limited edition Trix fireworks. I haven't had Trix for a long time, but I used to like it as a kid. But yeah, this is a really cool cereal.
Right.
I guess it's for the 4th of July, so we're gonna open this up. We're gonna see what it looks like. I think it comes out every year. It comes out every year about this time, I think. But I've never saw it. I mean, it's the first time I've ever tried it or bought it. The red, white, and blue. I'm just thinking it's for the 4th. Looks like it's got little marshmallows to it. Serving size 1 1/3 cup, and 150 calories and 10 servings in this box. So let's open this, show what this looks like. I haven't had Trix for a long time. This is what it looks like. Get up close. It's got the marshmallows and the red, white, and blue cereal balls there. So, and I already got my trusty 2% milk. So, give this a try. I think it's. Let's take it up. Really good. It's got the original flavor as a Trix. It's got little star marshmallows too. So to me, they got the lemon. It tastes like the fruity flavored cereal like it usually is, but with the red, white, and blue, with the red and blue balls and the white stars. I'll tell you what, it's really good. Like I said, it's been a long time since I had Trix. It's been a long time. But that tastes like kind of like orange, lemon, and cherry kind of flavor, like Fruit Loops. That thing. Very neat. I hope everybody enjoyed. It's my 2 thumbs up. I thought it was kind of neat. Like Silly Rabbit, Trix are for kids. Not only for kids, for adults also. But hey, I hope everybody enjoyed this review. This is a really neat box. As you can see on the back, fireworks show tonight. So it's really cool. So I hope everybody enjoyed this review on this Trix limited edition Trix fireworks cereal. So everybody have a good one. I'm keeping the dream alive for my roller skate dancing. Keeping the dream alive. Got a dream, guys. So hey, I hope everybody has a good one. Have a good Monday evening. And thanks for your support, everyone. You guys are all awesome.
What's so funny, TSM?
And I'm gonna be stopping the video right there. So yeah, and that's the end of this reaction film. And I hope you guys like this reaction film. I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like it. If you don't, then I don't care. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notification bells on every time I upload. And share my videos and reaction videos and our videos on my channel to your friends, family, also if you want. It's your choice. Because I am making it. So yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to Disco Bob Entertainment and more if you're new. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Subscribe. If you haven't yet. And road to 3K subscribers. Hope you get ahead. And see you all for more banger content coming, more banger reaction videos. So yeah, and I'll see you next time. Difference from signing out. And peace out, Legends. And peace out, everyone.